assess hormone, you got to assess how they're produced, how they're transported, how they're broken down. And then lastly, how are they bind to the cells? And then there are deficiencies. Deficiencies is when you're looking at hormone deficiencies. We look at thyroid, adrenals, and sex hormones. The unfortunate thing in my training in medicine was that we were actually not taught to fully assess hormones. We mainly were taught to look at production. But hormones, once you produce hormones, those hormones need to be transported to all the tissue. So when you assess hormone, you got to assess how they're produced, how they're transported, how they're broken down. And then lastly, how are they bind to the cells? Because if the cells, which have receptors on them, which is like a protein that sticks out and then estrogen binds to it, and then it sends a signal into the cell. If the receptor doesn't bind to the hormone properly, then the signaling to that cell doesn't happen. And that's what we call hormone resistance. So that's what you need to do when you assess hormones. And that's what a lot of conventional medicine just didn't give us the training for. And you kind of have to go into deeper into functional medicine to really get to learn all of these cool stuff about hormones.